Hey YouTube, it's been quite some time. In the entirety of 2022, I filmed and uploaded one video. And the rest of the time, I've been pretty much distracted with taking pictures. I've found a lot more satisfaction and a lot more fun in just trying to capture as good of a photograph as possible. So this year, I kind of came to the realization that I miss making videos. I miss hitting record. I miss, having this experience and editing videos and putting them out. So I made a New Year's resolution to myself this year that I'm going to hit record more often. I'm going to make more videos, and to accomplish that while still trying to take as many photos as possible, I got me one of these, which puts my GoPro right on top of my camera. So I'm gonna take you guys with me on my little photo venture that I'm going on right now. We have 2 or 3 more days of Alaska's Dash 8 airplanes coming into Bellingham International Airport, which is my local airport. And we have Huskies coming in today, coming in and departing because it's midday, and there's a good chance that this is one of the last times this airplane will ever be here. I've discovered aviation a lot lately. I know the majority of this channel is automotive. Aviation is just a lot of fun, and I'm kind of running with what feels good. So let's get to the airport. I figured I'd mention that these Dash 8s have been pretty special airplanes to me. I started taking pictures of airplanes about a year ago, a little bit over a year ago. And in that time, these have been airplanes that have a lot of different components to them. They have props that you can mess with, prop blur. They have weird folding landing gear that you can mess with. They have a high wing design. They are just a really interesting airframe to take pictures of. So they've made me a better photographer in the last year, and I'm sad to see them go. So this is kind of special to me. Light is okay today. It's pretty overcast, but there's enough light that it'll make for some really, really nice muted light, and there won't be any glare to worry about. So I'm really hoping that there will be a fairly light cloud layer right over the sun when this comes in. I think we still have quite some time before this arrival actually comes in, but I'm really, really stoked that it's not raining right now. The cloud layer is high enough to see the mountain today. That's really, really beautiful. All right, my window got sprayed with a bunch of shit, but we are here at Bellingham International Airport. Home sweet home. All right, let's talk cameras that I'm using today. I'm bringing old reliable. This is my Sony a6500. It has been through it. This is my primary camera. It has seen better days, but it is my most reliable digital camera I've ever had. And we got the big old Tamron 70 to 300 millimeter with my new polarizer. So this should be pretty much all we need as far as digital. All right, so it turns out we couldn't get airside. However, it's coming in right now. I'm gonna get some taxi shots as it comes in through the fence, and then I'm gonna go to my departure spot because I think departure is gonna be better for us, but I'm just gonna get some taxi shots as he comes back in here. Now I know you guys are gonna be looking at the fence for this, and I'm just getting down to the spot where I think I'm gonna have the best view, which I think is between these trucks, but I am looking through the fence. So I will put in pictures as I go here. All right, so I'm waiting literally for him to come out from behind that building, but I'm just gonna explain a little bit of what I'm gonna do here. I'm shooting at 1/160th of a second because I want a bit of prop blur, but I also don't want it to be so slow that I don't get the airplane completely in focus or it gets blurred a little too much. There it comes. So we're gonna see what we can do here. Get it past that Prius. And I'm gonna go over here where there's more room. And we're gonna do this. So that's kind of how I shoot through the fence and how the majority of plane spotters have found themselves shooting. But if you have a long enough lens, the fence doesn't matter that much. All right, I am off to my departure location, and it's a bit of a hike, so we have about 10 minutes till the airplane actually takes off, but I'm gonna go get myself set up and get ready for this. This should be a pretty nice departure here. Light's looking pretty good. It's a little bit more muted than I normally like it, but we should be okay. Alright, so I'm down at the spotting location. We still have a little bit to wait here before the airplane's actually getting in the air, but it's looking pretty good. There's still a few branches and whatnot along the fence that I think I'm gonna have to work around, but I think it's gonna be okay, and I think we will barely have enough light for this. All right, Huskies is getting lined up and waiting. All of the Cessnas and Pipers and everything has gotten out of its way, so it's getting ready to take off. This very well may be the last time I ever see this airplane. So this is a pretty good one. I'm gonna shoot a little bit faster just to be safe. Here it comes. There's rotate. Got a bit in my way there. Let's get in the sun. That nice light. All right, well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the first video of 2023. I want to thank everyone who has stuck around since I was making YouTube videos regularly in the past and whatnot. The channel's still been gaining subscribers even though I haven't really been making anything. So I really appreciate all of you who have stuck around and hung out and watched my content and followed me on my other socials. I'll put all of those in the description. That's where you can see all of these photos before they go out on YouTube and before they go out on anything else. They go out on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok first. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in to this, and I hope you guys are looking forward to more cameras and more adventures in this new year, as I am. So until next time, thanks for watching, and live life frame by frame.